The ultimate guide to oregano oil: benefits, uses, and surprising facts. Oregano oil is a potent natural remedy that has been used for centuries to promote overall health and well-being. Derived from the leaves of the oregano plant, this essential oil contains a multitude of beneficial compounds that have been scientifically proven to possess antimicrobial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. In this movie, we will delve into the fascinating history and origins of oregano oil, explore the science behind its health benefits, and discover the various ways in which it can be incorporated into your daily routine. The use of oregano can be traced back to ancient Greece, where it was revered for its medicinal properties. The Greeks believed that oregano was a gift from the goddess Aphrodite and used it to treat a variety of ailments, including digestive issues, respiratory problems, and skin conditions. Over time, the knowledge of oregano's healing properties spread to other cultures, and it became a staple in traditional medicine systems such as Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. In the 19th century, oregano oil gained recognition in the Western world for its antimicrobial properties. The oil was used during World War II as a disinfectant for wounds and to prevent infection. Today, oregano oil is widely available and has gained popularity as a natural remedy for a wide range of health issues. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback. Oregano oil owes its impressive health benefits to its high concentration of active compounds, including carvacrol, thymol, and rosmarinic acid. These compounds have been extensively studied and have been found to possess powerful antimicrobial properties, making oregano oil an effective natural alternative to conventional antibiotics. Numerous scientific studies have shown that oregano oil can effectively kill bacteria, fungi, and parasites. It has been found to be particularly effective against strains of bacteria that are resistant to antibiotics, making it a promising option for combating antibiotic-resistant infections. Additionally, oregano oil has been shown to have antiviral properties, making it a potential treatment for viral infections such as the common cold and flu. Oregano oil offers a wide range of health benefits, making it a valuable addition to any natural remedy toolkit. Some of the most notable benefits of oregano oil include: 1. Antibacterial and antifungal properties. Oregano oil has been shown to inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria and fungi, making it useful for treating various infections, including urinary tract infections, sinus infections, and fungal skin conditions. 2. Immune system support. Oregano oil can help strengthen the immune system thanks to its high levels of antioxidants. Regular use of oregano oil may help protect against oxidative stress and boost overall immune function. 3. Digestive health. Oregano oil has been used traditionally to promote healthy digestion. It can help relieve symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas, and may also be effective in combating certain digestive infections. 4. Respiratory support. Oregano oil has expectorant properties, which can help loosen phlegm and relieve congestion. It may also help soothe symptoms of respiratory infections, including coughs, sore throats, and bronchitis. 5. Anti-inflammatory effects. Oregano oil contains compounds that have been shown to possess anti-inflammatory properties. Regular use of oregano oil may help reduce inflammation in the body, which can contribute to a wide range of chronic health conditions. Using oregano oil for ear infections. Ear infections can be painful and uncomfortable, especially for young children. Fortunately, oregano oil can provide relief and help speed up the healing process. To use oregano oil for ear infections, dilute a few drops of the oil in a carrier oil, such as olive oil or coconut oil. Use a dropper to carefully place a few drops of the diluted oil into the affected ear. Gently massage the area around the ear to ensure the oil reaches the infection. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a day until the infection clears up. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before using oregano oil for ear infections, especially in children. How to choose and buy quality oregano oil. When purchasing oregano oil, it's important to choose a high-quality product to ensure its efficacy and safety. Here are a few factors to consider when selecting oregano oil. 1. Purity. Look for oregano oil that is 100% pure and free from additives, fillers, or synthetic ingredients. Check the label for any certifications or third-party testing that ensures the purity of the product. 2. Concentration of active compounds. The potency of oregano oil is determined by the concentration of its active compounds, particularly carvacrol. Look for a product that clearly states the percentage of carvacrol it contains, as higher percentages are generally more effective. 3. Method of extraction. The method used to extract the oil from the oregano plant can impact its quality and potency. Steam distillation is the most common method and is preferred for preserving the oil's beneficial compounds. 4. Reputation and reviews. Research the brand and read customer reviews to ensure that the oregano oil you choose is reputable and has positive feedback from consumers. How to use oregano oil safely and effectively. While oregano oil offers numerous health benefits, it is essential to use it safely and responsibly. Here are some guidelines to follow when using oregano oil. 1. Dilute properly. Oregano oil is highly concentrated and can cause skin irritation or burns if applied directly. Always dilute oregano oil with a carrier oil before applying it to the skin. 2. Perform a patch test. Before using oregano oil topically, perform a patch test on a small area of your skin to check for any adverse reactions or sensitivities. 3. Follow recommended dosages. When using oregano oil internally, follow the recommended dosages provided by the manufacturer or consult with a healthcare professional for guidance. 4. Avoid prolonged use. Oregano oil is potent, and prolonged use can disrupt the natural balance of bacteria in the body. Use it for short periods as needed, and consult with a healthcare professional for long-term use. Other ways to incorporate oregano oil into your lifestyle. In addition to using oregano oil for specific health concerns, there are several other ways to incorporate this versatile oil into your daily routine. 1. Aromatherapy. Add a few drops of oregano oil to a diffuser to enjoy its aromatic benefits. The oil's invigorating scent can help uplift your mood and promote a sense of well-being. 2. Oral health. Create a natural mouthwash by adding a few drops of oregano oil to a glass of water. Swish the solution in your mouth for a few minutes to help combat bad breath and promote oral health. 3. Natural cleaning. Oregano oil's antimicrobial properties make it an excellent natural cleaner. Mix a few drops of oregano oil with water and vinegar to create an effective disinfectant for countertops, cutting boards, and other surfaces. Organic oregano oil. Is it worth the investment? Organic oregano oil is derived from plants that have been grown without the use of synthetic pesticides, herbicides, or fertilizers. Choosing organic oregano oil ensures that you are getting a product free from harmful chemical residues and supports sustainable farming practices. While organic oregano oil may be slightly more expensive than non-organic options, the investment in your health and the environment is well worth it. Conclusion: embracing the power of oregano oil for a healthier you, oregano oil has rightfully earned its place as a powerful natural remedy for promoting overall health and well-being. With its impressive range of health benefits and versatility, oregano oil is a valuable addition to any natural medicine cabinet. Whether you choose to use it topically, internally, or incorporate it into your daily routine in other ways, harnessing the power of oregano oil can help you achieve a healthier and more vibrant life. Unlock the potential of oregano oil and experience its remarkable health benefits today. Incorporate this natural remedy into your daily routine and witness the transformative effects it can have on your well-being. Take a step towards a healthier you with oregano oil. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback.